We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. We apply heat to the device to remove the battery cover. We are going to use a suction cup to open a hole. We introduce a metal opening tool. Use a ultra-thin plastic card to soften the adhesive. We remove the back cover. We release the screws from the top of the device. Here we have the lens cover camera. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Now we lose the connector of the fingerprint sensor scanner Touch ID. We disconnect the 4 rear cameras of the device. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. Here we have the connector of the screen. We remove 2 screws. We disconnect the front camera. Lift gently the device motherboard. You have to be very careful when you remove the earpiece speaker. It can be broken in half very easy. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. Here we have the loudspeaker. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. With the help of the spudger, we remove the sub motherboard. We release the vibration motor, which is attached to the middle frame of the screen. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the battery. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process.
Perché come si allennino.
We have finished the assembly process.